Welcome to this video on navigating the 2026 Rural Health Transformation Program funding landscape. This strategic playbook is designed to guide you through technology modernization and procurement in this environment. The operational reality of the Rural Health Transformation Program includes an unprecedented scale of $50 billion authorized over 5 years. While CMS administers the federal program, individual states maintain discretion over spending, and the program prioritizes operational capability to achieve measurable outcomes. The $50 billion Rural Health Transformation Program allocation serves as a partial offset to a $137 billion reduction in rural Medicaid spending. Because this is not new capacity, priorities are given to technology that stabilizes revenue and modernizes operations. The technology eligibility grid covers 4 main areas: consumer-facing engagement, provider-focused modernization, virtual training platforms, and innovation, such as mobile health units and hospital-at-home models. In practice, states are currently prioritizing high-confidence funding areas like HIE and fire infrastructure, RPM expansion, clinical AI, telehealth models, and cybersecurity managed services, rather than speculative innovation. The engagement timeline is critical. Phase 1 involves state planning during the first 3 quarters of 2026. Missing this window may result in your facility's specific infrastructure needs being excluded from state RFPs. Tracing the flow of funds, the process moves from federal authorization through state administration and into procurement. The state procurement process acts as a crucial choke point before contracts are implemented. Procurement models vary by value and objective, ranging from direct service contracts and prime subcontracts to cohort-based grants, regional subgrants, and innovation sandboxes for piloting new technologies. To succeed, avoid common pitfalls. Do not treat Rural Health Transformation Program as an operating budget supplement, bypass state gatekeepers, or ignore the importance of integration and managed services. Procurement success requires a combination of statutory elements, state-aligned initiatives, outcome metrics, and a sustainability plan. For example, remote patient monitoring at a rural hospital should align with chronic disease management and clear billing targets. With the 2030 funding cliff approaching, sustainability planning must begin in the first year. Possible pathways include Medicaid integration, commercial payer contracts, state appropriations, federal succession, or philanthropic support. Examples of aligned technologies include fire-based care coordination, device-agnostic RPM infrastructure, AI-assisted documentation, and cybersecurity services, all designed for rapid implementation cycles. We are here to help you transform healthcare. Contact us to schedule a targeted consultation on your Rural Health Transformation Program strategy and drive sustainable rural outcomes.